Welcome to our channel. In front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and now I will show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. So, firstly you need to remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are trying to clear it. So, firstly, take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.